All right, here we are. Today we're still working on our little gift boxes here. They've been filled with candy and they've been completed being blinged out. Got to go back and touch up a couple of spots because I didn't put enough hot glue in certain areas and they do a little wiggling, which I don't like. So going to fix that before I give them away. And they're just little cheap tin boxes from Dollar Tree. That one needs a lot more glue because it's not holding, but got the candy in there. Jessica. Everything turned out overall pretty good. So this is our next little project. I had decided to give this person this design, which was okay, but I came across a design I like for Harry Potter, so I'm gonna take the name off of that, put it over here, and finish putting my embossed metal tape around the back and the sides, and put a little kickstand back there so it'll stand up, and she will be ready to go. I think she'll like this more than she will that one, so that's in the works. Another friend, she likes skulls, so what I did, printed out a skull on a piece of paper, cut it out, glued it to a piece of plywood, and then I've gone over it with the hot glue gun to give it an embossed look. Drew the picture with the hot gun, the hot glue rather, and when I go over it with my metal foil and do the embossing, it should be fairly nice. And it'll sit there like that. I glue it in place, and then I'm going to put another piece of material back there to help support the top like there, and put some foil around the sides and put her name in the front, on the front of this little bar that I made. It's just a stick of wood wrapped in tape. It's going to be like that. It's going to sit right there and her name would be on front, so I think she'll like that. Then I'll repurpose this one for either someone else or just hang on to it, because it turned out to be pretty nice, but it's not quite what I want, because like I'm just experimenting. So this will heat up and come off. It's just hot glue holding it on. So I'll take my heat gun, actually my hot glue gun, and heat up the glue, and it'll peel right off. So here are two more that I'm working on that are just basically blanks, and I'll give them away as well when they are finished. And I'll take the bottles to the break room and give them away. Say free stuff to free home. So whatever. Little JoJo up there, and just embossing and playing around with stuff, because it's just glue, tape, some cheap boxes, and some time. So we're just experimenting, having some fun, and just being creative. So we're gonna go forward, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.